Good evening, students. Today we are going to start our second poem, The Caterpillar Story. I hope you all have read this poem and learn its 8 line. Now start. I hope you all have first read this. I hope you all have seen a caterpillar which we often found in cabbages or in cauliflower, as you are seeing here that this is a caterpillar. This is a caterpillar. We often see in cabbages or in cauliflowers or maybe some kind of our plants. Okay student, let's start the poem. Underneath the cabbages. Here it is written underneath the cabbages. Underneath means when something is covered by another thing, means when it is something is kept under a layer of something, as there is a layer of cabbages. Under its layer of cabbage there is a caterpillar. Under the layers of cabbages the caterpillar was sitting, or we may say that it was relaxing. Okay students, in the sunshine caterpillar was very dull and sleepy. It was living a very lazy life. Drowsing means it was very dull and very lazy. Drowsing in the sunshine, it thought of this and that. It led a rather lazy life, just lying there in style. In style means student, means relaxed or very comfortable. In the under the layers of cabbages, that caterpillar was sitting or lying under the layer of cabbages in a very relaxed and comfortable mood. When hungry, it just nibbled. Nibbled means when something is eaten in a very small pieces. किसी चीज़ को छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में काट कर खाना, that is called nibbled. When hungry, it just nibbled at the cabbage for a while. When that caterpillar was hungry, he starts eating cabbages too, just when he felt hungry. Now caterpillars have to change, and one day very soon it started working steadily to weave a tight cocoon. Okay student, now caterpillar was just lying in style, means it was lying very relaxed and comfortable. And one day that caterpillar changed and suddenly it started weaving a tight cocoon. फिर एक समय ऐसे आता है कि जब वह कैटरपिलर को अपना जब वो चेंज होता है, and he starts weaving a cocoon, as you are seeing here that that caterpillar was weaving a cocoon. A cocoon means a silky covering made by caterpillars, in which that caterpillar stays, means it exists. And within this cocoon, which is like a home for a caterpillar, it is live in this shell for so many days and nights. Within this cozy shell, cozy means very comfortable, it stayed. Stay means live. As days and nights went by, then suddenly a split appeared. Out came a butterfly. Means within this cocoon, which is like a home for that caterpillar, it stays for so many days and nights, and after a few days that cocoon splits. Splits means when it breaks, as you are seeing here that cocoon breaks and a beautiful small butterfly came out of it. No longer was it lazy. Now it had a pair of wings. As you are seeing here, the butterfly has a pair of wings. Now that caterpillar was no longer become lazy. When it got their wings, it danced upon the roses. It starts dances upon roses and other things. A lovely little butterfly of black and white and red. Here you are seeing, children, the wings of that butterfly is in red, black and white color. Flitting in the sunshine. Flitting means moving quickly from one place to another. As you all seeing, the butterfly, it never stayed in one place. It always moving around one place to another and in one flower to another flower. Flitting in the sunshine means moving from one place to another till it was time for bed. And that butterfly always flying till it becomes night, or when it becomes until it become a time to go to bed, means it moves around till it become night. And this poem was written by Hilda Offen. So this is the poem, explanation of the poem of the caterpillar story. Hope you understand this story, students. And afterwards I will send you its word meanings and question answers. Till then, have a nice day.